Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ajay Sharma. So in today's video we are talking about a very important topic in adoption law, section 17 of Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956, which deals with the prohibition of certain payments. If you are new on this channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe and share it with your friends. Section 17, Prohibition of Certain Payments. Yes, this law is all about ensuring adoption is not done for money. Section 17, let's read out through the bare act. Prohibition of certain payments. No person shall receive or agree to receive any payment or other reward in consideration of the adoption of any person, and no person shall make or give or agree to make or give to any other person any payment or reward the receipt of which is prohibited by this section. So according to this law, no person can receive or agree to receive any payment or reward in exchange of giving a child for adoption. Similarly, no one can give or promise any payment or reward that is prohibited by this section of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Section 17. So adoption never be about for money. It must be done with the love and care and not financially gain. Remember that. If any person contravenes the provisions of subsection 1, he shall be punishable with the imprisonment, which may be extended to the 6 months, or with fine, or with both. If anyone accepts or gives the money for adoption, they can face imprisonment up to the 6 months, or a fine, or both. So this law is strict and it's meant to protect the right of child. No prosecution under this section shall be instituted without the previous sanction of the state government or any officer authorized by the state government in this behalf. So there's one important point. No one can be prosecuted under this law without the prior permission from the state government or an officer authorized by the state government. This ensures that the prosecution is controlled and fair and no false cases are filed. So remember that adoption is about love and care and not for money. So this law ensures the child best interest come first as per the welfare of the child. So that's all about section 17 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Okay guys, if you found this video really helpful, so don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more legal updates and share it with your friends. Okay, bye bye guys.